Always live your life like it's spring. I'm so excited to take you through the steps of Chalk Couture's Hello Spring project. This project has me craving all the warm weather. For this project, I'll need the Hello Sunshine Chalk Transfer Design, black velvet Chalkology paste, a fabric banner, and a golden hoop. In addition to these supplies, I'll also need a small squeegee, a hot glue gun, a quick dry tool, and transfer trimmers. Let's start with the best part, chalking. I'm going to use my transfer trimmers to cut along the provided cut lines of my Hello Sunshine transfer. This will separate all the transfer elements so that I can chalk them individually for this and future projects. I've chosen the spring transfer element for this project. Now I'm going to carefully peel the transfer backer sheet off. Next, I'm going to place my transfer slightly below the center of the fabric banner. I'm going to load up my small squeegee with some black velvet paste and then smooth it across the mesh silkscreen of my transfer. I'm making sure to get all of the excess paste off my screen. I only need a thin layer of paste, so a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm using my quick dry tool to dry my paste. I'm going to add another little chalky detail to this project. I've selected the Hello transfer element and I've placed it above the spring element. I'm using black velvet paste to chalk this section as well. Next, I'm going to glue my banner to the hoop. I'm going to be hot gluing these two pieces together. Once I've centered the banner, I'm going to fold over its right edge and apply a line of hot glue along the hoop. Then I'm going to flip the folded banner back onto the edge of the hoop and firmly press down. Then I'll repeat this process for the left side of the banner. Next, I'm flipping the entire project over. I'm going to now hot glue the back of the hoop and fold over the extra fabric, tucking it behind the hoop. I'll repeat this process for the other side as well. Then I'll take my transfer trimmers and cut the extra fabric off my project. And there you have it, an easy Chalk Couture project that's perfect for those warm, sunny days. Happy chalking!